trying to put my people, our people, in a position to where we can get financial freedom. And I'm trying to prove to people that it don't take a lot of money. I always got a couple rules. One, do your research into the company. Two, buy low. Three, sell high. I got the kid in investing. I had my first kid at 18. Started a mutual fund from him. And then once I did that, I always had that in the back of my head of something I wanted to get into. Starbucks, Jumia, Tesla, Disney, Nike, fuel cell, plug power. I just got into it and just wanted to just share my experience with the people. All right. How y'all guys doing out there? It's your boy, Brother DJ, coming to you live again. Well, I'm not live, but you know, another show, another recording. Uh, Another Wolf on Wall Street. Gonna get into some crypto talk. Gonna run through my crypto portfolio and let you guys know what's going on in that element, that type of world, that sector, that crypto life. We're gonna keep it moving. With that being said, shout out to all my Squadcast members that's not in the building with me right now. Shout out to all the Junkyard Gang members. Make sure you subscribe to both channels, Squadcast TV and Junkyard Gang. Hit the like button too, by the way. Help the boys out. Last but not least, shout out to Midwest Matthew. Without that brother, a lot of things won't be possible. Without that being said, been talking about the stocks a lot. Going to talk a little bit about that as well. I'm going to touch bases on a couple stocks that I talked about just yesterday. PayPal, McDonald's, and PayPal, McDonald's. I can't remember. I'm pretty sure I'll remember once I pull it up. But we'll definitely get into that. But with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and get into my crypto account. One of them. This is with crypto.com. All right. I'm gonna let you guys know the coins that I have, and you guys let me know what coins you got, and then maybe we can, collab, and maybe we can, figure some stuff out. Maybe, I'm missing out on something, and maybe you guys might be missing out on something that I got. With that being said, I have in crypto.com, I have Gala, Polkadot, Mana, VeChain, and Sandbox. All right. Gala right now is down. It's currently down just a little over 8%. Polkadot is down just a little over 8%. Mana's down over 9%. VeChain's down over 7%, and Sandbox is down over 4%. There's blood in the streets. All right, definitely go ahead and time to eat. You know what I'm saying? Like, these are definitely the popular coins. The top 50 for sure. I'm not going to go into the actual rankings, but these are definitely one of the upper echelon of the coins. And I'm talking about not like the Bitcoins and Ethereum. I'm talking about, of the altcoins and stuff. Polkadot right now is sitting, Gala is, it's definitely down, but it'd be something to look into. Polkadot, is definitely something to look into as well. Mana, is definitely something to look into. VeChain, I mean, Sandbox. There's a lot of coins right now that are definitely worthy of putting in your watch list or keeping an eye on. But those are just the ones that I have in crypto.com. Let's go to Coinbase real quick. I'll get into that. Shout out Coinbase. Shout out crypto.com. Shout out Uphold. I use Uphold to buy XRP. So if you don't have XRP and you're looking to get into it, definitely download Uphold, and you should be able to purchase an established position in XRP. With my Coinbase portfolio, I have Shiba Inu, Bitcoin, of course, Litecoin, Crow, Ethereum, and a free one that they gave me, the Graph. Right now, this particular portfolio is definitely down. Bitcoin is down right now, just a little over 2%. Ethereum's down just a little over 4%. Litecoin is down over 6%. Shiba Inu's down 5%. Cardano is down 5%. Right now, like I've always said, when you see that the big boys are out here struggling, when Bitcoin and Ethereum, Litecoin, of course, all the other ones are going to struggle too. All right. But like I said in my last show, and like I said all the other shows, what goes up must come down. What goes down must come up. We have to realize that in 2020 and 2021 per se, cryptocurrency had a huge surge. Like there was a lot of cryptocurrency, a lot of coins that just shot up. All right, just like you see with certain stocks and or just stocks in general when they just shoot up and they continue to shoot up and set all time highs and all time records. Well, when you're going through corrections and when you're going through a struggling economy, when you're going through shortages, inflation, things of that nature, this is what happens. You're gonna have the stocks going down. You're gonna have the cryptocurrencies going down. But, like I always say, these are your opportunities, guys, family. Listen, I'm no financial advisor. I'm just giving you the game as I've studied it. But these are your buying opportunities to get into these positions while they're low. I mean, do your research. The prices, I mean, compared to where they were months ago, I mean, you these are like steals. Like it literally, like it's like taking candy from a baby. All right, you be not a fool. I wouldn't disrespect anybody, but you be not making a wise business decision by not looking into any of these coins and adding them if you haven't already had a position or if you sold out of your position because you've seen what's going on. Now it might be a time to go ahead and reestablish that. Okay. um, Bitcoin and all the other coins are definitely up and down. I get the notifications all of the time. I know you guys get the same ones. It's kind of frustrating almost, but at the same time, you have to realize not to panic, and things will definitely continue to change and get better. You just have to give it some time, whether it's 4 months, 6 months, 8 months, or even a year. It's all about what type of investor you are. Are you in it for the long haul? Are you in it for the short haul, the short gains? You know what I'm saying? Are you just want to get money, get in and out, or do you want to build wealth and then let your money make money for you? All right. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and get into the stocks that I want to talk about. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull up Robinhood, where I do some trading. I also have WeBull and a couple other ones as well. But we're gonna go ahead and get into this. All right. All right. So I want to talk to you guys about the stocks that I talked about yesterday: PayPal, Netflix, and McDonald's. Netflix was the one that I could remember earlier, but I got it now. All right. PayPal, when I talked to you guys I think yesterday, PayPal was I think like 119 or something like that. PayPal is now down to 114.85. Uh and it's currently it's down just a little over 3%. So as I said yesterday, you got to be keep this in your watch list, all right? Because it's gonna at the trend that it's gonna keep going down. You might even be able to get this at $100, okay? And the ticker symbol for this is PYPL. You might be able to get this at like 106, 105, maybe even $100, okay? Same thing with Netflix. Netflix dropped to $390.90. It dropped 3.6% today, all right? And it dropped a little bit in after hours trading as well. But this is another opportunity for you guys to get a marginal fractional share if you can't get a whole share or a couple shares, whatever the case may be, or add this to your watch list because it's going to continue. If you can get into Netflix at like 380, 375, maybe the 360s, that's definitely a steal considering that it had a 52-week low, 52-week high of $700. All right. I mean, just keep it on your watch list. Keep looking at it, and then you have to decide. Okay, am I going to go ahead and build a position, or am I going to miss out on a buying opportunity? All right, we don't want to miss out on buying opportunities. I talk about it all the time. We definitely want to buy the dips. Okay, McDonald's dropped. I believe McDonald's was like 262 or something yesterday when I talked to you guys about it. It was at 255. All right, or maybe it was at 256, and it dropped a little bit today. All right, it's going to continue to drop. I mean, it's the 52-week high was 271.15. It's 255.18. So definitely, something to put in your watch list and maybe go ahead and start building out your position in there. I mean, it's definitely a good stock to look into. You're definitely going to get a dividend from it. It's a lot less expensive than going ahead and investing in like a Chipotle or something like that. All right. Um, Overall, with my particular portfolio, I'm down just a little over, just under 2%, almost 3%. We had a couple good days this week, couple bad days, but it is what it is. But next week when I talk to you guys, I'm going to let you know what stocks that I'm going to buy or have bought, and I'm also going to let you know about the cryptocurrencies that I've bought or the ones that I've continued to build out my positions in. All right. But don't let these red days scare you guys. Don't let, I mean, you should be happy. I mean, I don't want to say happy that you're losing money. Nobody wants to be happy losing money. But at the same time, this is a time where you can even, not necessarily even out, but you can have a great average cost per share buying at these low stock prices. Okay. And keep building out your portfolio, because 2022, 2023 is not going to be the same as we're going through right now. Currently in early part of 2022 and the later part of 2021. All right. We talk about these contributor factors all the time about what's affecting the economy and the stock market. Um, we need government to get off their ass and start doing things and handling business the right way. Um, I know everybody's bottom line here, but at the end of the day, from my audience that I'm trying to reach and who I'm talking to, um, even in times like this, with everything in being disarray, it still shouldn't stop you from seeking financial freedom and doing things to put yourself and your family in better positions, whether that's investing in stocks, investing in cryptocurrency, getting life insurance policies, buying NFTs, Roth IRAs, 401ks. There's a lot of different things you can, mutual funds, bonds. There's a lot of different things, a lot of different avenues you can go out here. All you have to do is take the time, just do your research. You know what your income is like, you know what your bills are like, and you have to be disciplined and figure out, what can I really invest? How much can I invest? What am I willing to invest? Save, put away to the side, so you can retire early or leave something behind for your kids. That's what I do it for. And I hope you guys are like minded. So, with that being said, I appreciate you guys tuning in. We'll talk next week. Peace.